Hi, this is Sandy from Sister Cousins. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm participating in a challenge, and this challenge is a comfortable indoor or outdoor area 2019. It is hosted by I'm myself, and I'm DIYing it. Her channel is a wonderful channel where she does a lot of home decor and DIY projects. I will be linking her channel below so that you can go check it out. I recently discovered her channel and I really do enjoy it. So hopefully you'll check her out and you will enjoy it as well. And another channel that I am loving is Cynthia Shesoblessed. Also a home decor person, and she has a very, very nice channel as well, and her channel will be linked below as well. So let me get into the challenge. Basically what we had to do was to share a place in our home where we go to rewind, refresh, and refocus. And I thought that this was perfect timing for a challenge like this because we're getting to the end of the year where everybody is really busy with Christmas shopping, cooking, having guests coming over. All of these things are going on, holiday parties and things like that. So it's very important that we take the time to rewind, refresh, and refocus. So I'm very thankful to these two ladies for creating this challenge because it made me take pause and even think about it, because you get into the throes of, you know, getting ready for whatever various activities are taking place this time of year, and you forget to rewind and refresh and refocus. Even though I spent a lot of time in this room, you know, it was really good to kind of look at it from that standpoint. So thank you to I'm myself, and I'm DIYing it, and to Cynthia Shesoblessed for sponsoring this challenge. So let me stop rambling and let me show you the space. It's very, very simple, which is why I love it, and it's very comfortable for me. I don't have to worry about breaking anything or getting anything dirty or whatever. I just want a space to just come and sit. So I'm going to show you what that looks like. This is my space. It's very simple, as I said. I just have a sofa and a chair with an ottoman, and I am in this chair most of the time just sitting and watching TV. Today I have some wine, and I had my cheese and crackers, which I have a lot for dinner, and I have my planner out. Now, I don't use my planner much at all, but my goal is to start to use it. So it's always right near me, but I rarely pick it up and use it. I mostly use my phone for planning purposes, but I'm going to start. I do have a Himalayan sea salt lamp that I burn, which is next to my chair. I have this little table here, which is where I would typically have my glass or whatever. I'm just sitting right there. I have a candle. I have my Amazon Echo, and I have Becoming Michelle Obama, which I've been reading for the longest time and just can't seem to take the time to get it finished. And then I have my TV here, and I've got the fireplace on top of the fireplace. I just have the YouTube channel with the fireplace, the crackling fireplace. I just love that channel. So I have that going, and then I have my little mini TV stand with the fireplace in it, the electric fireplace. So this is my place to come and rewind, refresh, and refocus. Like I said, it is very, very simple. It's not a lot to it, but I love it, and I spend a lot of time here. I also have the door there that leads to my deck. When the weather is nice, I will have that door open, and it's just the most wonderful breeze that comes in, and I just love to just sit here and relax. Some days if I come in and I'm tired from a long day or whatever, this is as far as I make it. It's right to that chair there, and that's it. So I thank these two beautiful ladies again for this challenge. Both of them will have the links to their channels in the description box, as well as the playlist, so that you can check out all the other lovely ladies that share their comfortable spaces in their home. Thanks so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe. Again, this is Sandy from Sister Cousins, where I do home decor, lifestyle matters that relate to a mature woman. I do cooking videos, vlogs, and everything on the in-between. Thanks for stopping by. Bye-bye.